Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix phone link not working or opening on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To fix phone link not opening or working on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search, type phone link. Now right click on phone link and you will find an option app settings. Click on app settings. Now scroll down. Under reset you will find two options here, one repair and another one is reset. If this system component is not working right, we can try to repair it. The system components data would not be affected. Click on repair. The phone link is repairing right now. Hope after this fix phone link will work properly. If it's not working, you can reset it, but please note the system components data will be deleted. Just click on reset and click on reset again. Reset is completed. Now close settings and you need to restart your computer. Click on start menu, click on power and then click on restart. After restarting your computer, hope phone link will work properly on your Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.